What's up, Double A fam? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are finally winding down from celebrating our 12 years together, 1 year anniversary of marriage, and now we are back at our infamous storage,
Of course.
putting up our suitcase. We don't need it anymore, at least for a couple weeks or a month, and yeah. So we are about to go run some errands, do our weekly things that we do.
Back to reality.
Yeah, cooking, all that good stuff. If you haven't checked out our videos from our anniversary, go back and do that. We have two out, two, three. So it's a few of them.
Probably three.
Three. We have three out. So they're in parts because we didn't want to just create one long video. We definitely wanted you to be able to, take a break and watch them as you wish. But yeah, we had some fun. We traveled, and now we are settling down and getting our week started, and just we're happy to be here. That's all I can say.
I'm convinced her to go to the beach today, but we'll see.
Hey, it's a free game.
You are pretty.
Thank you.
That's the anniversary glow, huh?
Oh Lord, this is what 12 years looks like.
I never get tired of it. Well, sometimes you do get on my nerves, but I still love you though.
Anyway, now we're about to go to the store so we can get some groceries. And I was like, "Where are you going?" Yeah, I thought you disappeared. And yeah, so just stay tuned, see what we end up doing today. It's gonna be kind of just like a chill weekend vlog. And we may go to the beach, so we'll see. Hey guys, it is a new day. We are headed to the beach, and it was pretty outside. Now it's kind of, I don't know, sun going down, I guess. Well, guess what?
I'm about to say, tell them what you did.
I thought I lost one of our mics, but I looked at the camera and I actually just dropped it. But I did panic for a second. I was flipping the front of this front seat upside down looking for it. But I looked at the camera and it's at home, so just don't forget before you roll over here.
Nah, you don't forget. Don't put the mic over here.
Anyway, so yeah, we're about to head to the beach. Or we're already heading to the beach. We'll be there probably in like 20 minutes or so, give or take. We may get into an activity out there. My fingers are crossed. I hope that we do because it actually sounds really fun. So I won't. What's the word? I won't jinx it. That's the word. I won't jinx it. I'll wait and see if we actually get to do it, and if we do, you get to see it. If not, you'll never know. So yeah, so let's see what the beach has for us. Y'all know we are water bodies, so love to be near some water, kick my feet up. We already got a beverage. I don't know if y'all saw him drinking. Got a nice little beverage that he's sipping. But anyway, so yeah, let's get into the beach. We made it to Galveston! Yay! So we are about to attempt to go to the Rainforest Cafe to ride the one and only indoor, boat ride?
Yeah.
It is the only location in Galveston that has an indoor boat ride.
Oh, let me talk over. Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, I'm excited. So it says that it's open daily. I think until like 10 p.m. or something like that. And you have to get the tickets in person. So I'm pretty sure it gets really popular during the summertime or spring break or whatever. And it's summer. So cross your fingers and hope that we can secure time. Okay. And it's only $9.99, right?
That's what they say, but you know, it'd be.
It's only $9.99, which is pretty good. I mean, we're gonna see how good it is for the price.
Prices online be different when you get in person.
That is true, but we're gonna see if the price matches the quality of what we get.
And we got lucky and got a great spot.
The first spot in the parking lot. So I'm excited, and we're literally feet away from the beach. We look to stay here.
Maybe.
Don't say it.
Okay.
So we'll have to pay for parking. If you've been to Galveston, you know sometimes paying for parking is just annoying because why? It's the beach. But anyway, so we're about to go walk up, I guess, to the Rainforest Cafe adventure ride and see if we can get on. We just finished the ride at the Rainforest Cafe and it was so fun. So now we're finally going to head straight to the beach. So go ahead and take a look at what the ride looked like on the inside. We made it to the beach, and it's so peaceful. It's not hot. It feels good. So we're about to just mellow out for a second, chill and relax and enjoy this good weather before it gets too dark. And the next time,
Tell them about that couple weeks.
oh y'all, we pulled up and they were getting freaky. They was first they was kissing and then they started sitting on each other and then he witnessed something and it was just I didn't know what was gonna happen next. But they packing up now, you know, I can see them from afar. So we're about to just mellow out for a little bit, enjoy this beach for what it is. And the next time that y'all see us, we're probably gonna be eating because we always gotta eat. Yeah, pizza sounds good, but we just gotta see if they're open. So regardless, we're gonna eat something. I don't know what, but it's gonna be something. So we're about to chew. What a day. I'm tired. What?
You're so dramatic.
I'm not.
What a day. I'm tired.
I am though. Anyway, we finally made it home from the beach and it was so beautiful and peaceful. And the drive was even more peaceful, honestly. Thank God for country music because it was so peaceful.
You're welcome.
Whatever.
I'm not God, but you're welcome.
And we were not speeding, but we were crunching for time trying to get to this dinner, like we said. And we did end up going to Mud.
Guess what? Guess what she found?
Oh, my mic. So we ended up getting our pizza. And I got mine cut in squares, so I'm excited.
I got mine regular. She extra angry tech. You'll ask me to cut mine in squares.
And I did. So we are about to eat and call it a night. It is 9:40 p.m. currently. So we had a really long day. And honestly, for the last 7 days, our nights have been long. I don't know if you realize that, but I'm ready for our schedule to catch back up. So, well, that's it for today and for this vlog. Thank y'all so much for watching. We are definitely happy to have you here. And if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on all of our content that we have coming up. We will catch y'all on the next video.